Now, the last thing I want to discuss in this section is the concept of infinite loops. An infinite loop is a loop that runs forever. So if I change this condition to true, because true is always true, this while loop will run forever. So to jump out of this, we need a break statement. So after we get the input from the user, we can get the command, convert it to lowercase, and see if it equals to quit. If that's the case, we want to break. Now with this change, we no longer need to initialize command to an empty string. Previously we needed this because we had a while statement like this. While command does not equal quit. So we had to define this command variable, and that's why we have set it to an empty string. Without this line, when Python interpreter tries to execute this code, it doesn't know what command is. So now that we have an infinite loop, we no longer need to define command and set it to an empty string. So in terms of functionality, this program is exactly the same as the program we wrote in the last lecture. Just be aware of these infinite loops. Because they run forever, you should always have a way to jump out of them. Otherwise, your program will run forever. And this can sometimes cause issues because if you're executing operations that consume memory, at some point your program may run out of memory and crash.